apply it to your team. Okay. Step one, attend training. This is the first circle that we need to do. Okay. When we are new in the business. Number one is attend NECO training 7 times to 10 times. Number Yes, number two is CSEL training. Attend 5 to 7 times also. So this is the CSEL training. You will introduce as yourself, and then um uh and then you will have a talent, so you will become confident when you're talking to other people, and then we will train you. We will introduce the system and top five condo to you. The next is BMS training. Okay, you need to attend BMS training if you are here in the Philippines or local leader. Um, 5 to 7 times, and then Facebook marketing. Okay, module one and two, and then number five is enroll online elite or on your academy, team academy. Okay, so in this business you need to be coachable, be humble, whatever your profession is. As long as you are new in the business, you need to listen to your mentors, to your uplines, because they are ahead um than you. Okay, they learn many things before you came into this business. So if you want to earn as much as they are earning, you need to listen. You need to say yes, upline or yes mentor to them, and then apply what you learn. Okay, and then step two, coach. All right. All right. After you already master all those trainings, just like Coach Francis Jade just discussed. Okay, this is the time that you are going to do the five fingers of networking. So what are those? Next, okay, first is prospecting. So how we will do the prospecting? So this is the first step of the sales process, which consists of identifying potential customers, or also known as prospects. The goal of prospecting is to develop database of likely customer and then systematically communicate with them in the hopes of converting them from potential customers to current partners. Okay, is and then number two, uh, Facebook marketing. So doing using Facebook, okay, you can add friends from different countries to be your prospect. Okay, and how you will do that? Like you go to the search button on Facebook, then you search for any name that you would love to have as your downlines. Then you make sure that you can choose at least one country. Okay, like let's say for example, you want to have a leader called Jeremiah from London. Okay, so you type for Jeremiah in London on the search box of Facebook. Then all this Jeremiah that is living in London will appear there. So you can start adding those people. Okay, and make sure that before you add those people, you are going to uh, visit their timeline as well, maybe because those accounts are not working anymore, or maybe they are doing the same business already. So at least you know what is the background of those people that you are trying to prospect. Then the moment that uh, what we call this one, they confirm your friend request. Okay, then you can start sharing the business. Okay, number three, learn prospecting skills. So how you will do that? You can use the form technique. So form means family, occupation, recreation, and message. So you have to know first the situation of the family of the person that you are talking to. can ask how's the health, how's the situation of their family, their mother, the parents, the brothers and sisters, or kids. And then you can also ask their occupations, how's the salary, how is it going, and everything like that, so that you can create a message on how you can insert the business. Okay, you should know what your prospect needs. Okay, you cannot just present the business without knowing what they need. And then attend Facebook marketing from module 1, module 2, and module 3. Next. Okay, number 2 is inviting. There are three kinds of inviting. Number one is the direct approach, or you are going to your relative's house if you are doing it on field, and then uh, you're going to do the form technique, and then you're going to uh, directly say that I'm expanding my business and I need more people, okay, uh, to expand the business in this area. And then in online marketing, you will send a script that thanks for accepting me. Uh, I am a businessman, or I'm a business consultant from Economy Driver Plan. And then uh, if you have time, I can share the business that I have to you, okay, that can help you financially and to have time freedom. So that is the direct approach. Then number two is indirect approach. This approach is the best if your audience may be displeased about you or may resist what you have to say. So in this indirect approach, you're going to the form technique. You will uh, know what is their needs, and then if you know their needs, then you ask, you know what, you can benefit from the benefits of our company. For example, he is lack of money. So what are you going to tell is, do you want to learn how to earn aside from your work in this pandemic times? Then they will say how. Okay, or are you part of a world class business uh, that you can expand in this season or in this pandemic while you are working? Then they will say how. Okay, or for example, their family has an illness, you will say, uh, do you know someone who has an illness that we need to help, okay, in order to extend their life? So they will say how and what is the problems of that business. Then you're going to explain the business. And super indirect approach is, um, you tell the prospect that they aren't the prospects, and you're just interested in finding out if they know someone else who might benefit from your business. So in this approach is, what you're going to say to them is, if they don't want to join, okay, in your business, even you use the direct and indirect approach, uh, you can tell that, do you know someone, okay, you can refer me 10 to 20 people that we can help, okay, in this business, to have time and financial freedom, or to become healthy, and then earn big and have big savings aside from their work. So that is the indirect approach. You will ask them referrals, okay, Facebook names or WhatsApp numbers, if they know someone, those people we can help through our opportunity. Okay, number three, coach. Okay, the number three is three types of presentations. So we have a lot of ways how to present the business. First, you can do the video presentation. Like you can search it on Facebook or on YouTube. Then you can send it to the person that you are trying to present the business. Okay, or else you can also send them a script presentation. Like in our team, we have our scripted already presentation. So you only have to copy those um, script and send it directly to your client so that they can read it step by step and understand it better. Or number three, you can do the video call presentation. You can make the call, a video call to your client so that you can discuss the business face to face with your client. Okay, next, coach. Next slide.
Okay, ABC rules. Advisor breach client. What is ABC rules and how we'll do it? Okay. So first, you need to present the business, and then after that, if you have questions, and then you need to have ano nga yun, you need help from your mentor upline, you can do this ABC rules. What you're going to do is you can introduce your mentors to your client. Okay, the client is your friend, classmate, coworkers, or prospect, and then